Welcome to TechStunner, your destination for cutting-edge unboxing experiences. Join us as we explore the excitement of unboxing, one tech treasure at a time. Subscribe now and never miss a thrilling unboxing moment. Here we go.
Imagine a world where your phone is more than just a device, but a companion. Welcome to the era of the Redmi Turbo 3. This smartphone, launched just yesterday, is a dual SIM marvel that accommodates nano-sized SIMs. Its sleek design, measuring 6.35 by 2.93 by 0.31 inches, makes it a perfect fit for your hand. The Redmi Turbo 3 is not just a smartphone, it's a revolution in your pocket. Dive into a universe of vibrant colors and unparalleled clarity with the Redmi Turbo 3's OLED screen. This remarkable display, boasting a 240 Hz touch sampling rate and a 144 Hz screen, effortlessly brings your content to life. And with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, your viewing experience remains unscathed and pristine. The Dolby Vision feature adds yet another layer of depth, while the punch-hole notch ensures a seamless immersive view. With the Redmi Turbo 3, every pixel tells a story. Unleash the power of efficiency with the Redmi Turbo 3's unbeatable performance. The device is armed with an impressive 8 GB of RAM, teamed with a staggering 256 GB of storage. This powerhouse doesn't stop there. It's ready for the future with 5G connectivity, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. Plus, it's compatible with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth version 5.4, providing seamless connections. The Redmi Turbo 3 is built for those who demand more. Capture life's best moments with the Redmi Turbo 3's superior camera. With a 50MP rear camera and a 20MP front camera, every snapshot is crystal clear. The Turbo 3 also boasts a 5500 mAh battery with 90W fast charging. With the Redmi Turbo 3, your memories last as long as your battery. The Redmi Turbo 3 is not just a device, it's an experience. With an exceptional OLED display, powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon, superior 50-megapixel camera, and a battery that simply doesn't quit, it's a testament to innovation. The Redmi Turbo 3, a smartphone that truly stands out in the crowd.
Enjoying our content? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Don't miss out on future videos. Subscribe now for more exciting content, and click the video appearing on the screen to continue watching. Otherwise, see you next time. I'm Sarah from TechStunner. Have a nice day.